The 8 highest paying jobs you can get with an associate's degree. In fact, there are dozens of occupations that offer salaries above the $60,000 mark and are looking to hire associate degree holders. Landing a job in one of these occupations means you can expect to earn at least $67,000 annually in fields as diverse as healthcare, aircraft manufacturing, and tech. That's a healthy step up from the typical annual salary of someone with an associate's degree, which is $41,450 a year. Number 8. Magnetic Resonance Imaging Technologists. As their title suggests, these technologists operate magnetic resonance imaging, MRI scanners, to create diagnostic images used for determining medical diagnoses and the staging of diseases. Many MRI technologists start out as radiologic technologists. An associate's degree is a common educational requirement for this post, but a few states also require a license. Median annual wage, $71,670. Number 7. Diagnostic Medical Sonographers. These healthcare workers specialize in creating sonograms or ultrasounds of the body's organs and tissues using special imaging equipment. Their images help physicians assess and diagnose medical conditions, as sonograms are often the first imaging test performed when disease is suspected. Sonographers can specialize in scanning certain parts of the body, such as breast tissue, the heart, or the female reproductive system, to track a developing baby's health. Becoming a diagnostic medical sonographer requires at least an associate's degree in sonography. Median annual wage, $72,510. Number 6. Dental hygienists. These healthcare workers remove tartar, stains, and plaque from a patient's teeth, check for signs of oral diseases, apply sealants and fluorides, take dental x-rays, and remind you how to brush and floss correctly. To become one, you'll need at least an associate's degree in dental hygiene as well as a license to practice. Median annual wage, $74,820. Number 5. Nuclear medicine technologists. These healthcare workers prepare radioactive drugs for patients to assist with imaging or therapeutic purposes. They operate the imaging equipment used to diagnose and treat patients. They may also help physicians in researching the uses of radioactive drugs. Nuclear medicine technologists typically need an associate's degree from an accredited nuclear medicine technology program. Median annual wage, $76,820. Number 4. Nuclear technicians. Monitoring radiation is an average day for these technicians, who typically work in nuclear energy production or help physicists and engineers in nuclear research. They operate the equipment necessary for these nuclear experiments or power generation, and track the levels and types of radiation that are produced by such activities. Nuclear technicians typically need an associate's degree in nuclear science or a nuclear-related technology. Median annual wage, $79,140. Number 3. Funeral service managers. Overseeing the operations of a funeral home may seem a morbid job, but it can be a highly rewarding one. These managers need to not only be skilled in handling typical business tasks like staffing, marketing, and maintaining revenue, but also at offering counsel and support to grieving families, and filing death certificates and other legal documents with appropriate authorities. Typically, an associate's degree in funeral service or mortuary science is all the education that's needed to become a funeral service worker. Median annual wage, $79,180. Number 2. Radiation therapists. Part of the healthcare team called in to treat cancer, these therapists operate the machines that deliver concentrated radiation therapy to a patient's tumor. Employers usually prefer to hire applicants with at least an associate's degree in radiation therapy, though some companies accept those who've completed a certificate program. In most states, radiation therapists must be licensed or certified. Median annual wage, $82,330. Number 1. Air traffic controllers. Coordinating the safe movement of aircraft pays top dollar, but it also requires lots of training. Air traffic controllers are responsible for directing aircraft in the ground and air, controlling all ground traffic on runways and taxiways, and giving landing and takeoff instruction to pilots. Many people become air traffic controllers by obtaining at least an associate's degree through a Federal Aviation Administration approved Air Traffic Collegiate Training Initiative program. Controllers are then tested throughout the course of their career, needing to pass a physical exam each year and a job performance exam twice per year. Median annual wage, $124,540.